Good morning, everyone. I am Teacher Lheo and I'll be your online math teacher for this week. I hope everyone is in good health. Before we start our lesson for today, I want you to listen very carefully and try your best to participate with this video. Hello, everyone. So today we are going to talk about factors and multiples. Are you ready? Let's do this one. So, before that, we are going to have an activity first. So, I have here arrangements of star. I'm going to show pictures of different sets of star. Then, I want you to let me know what can you observe or what can you say about this picture. Alright, picture number 1. Alright, what can you say about this picture? Very good. We can say that this one is one row is having a 6 stars. Or we can say one row times 6 stars per row is equivalent to 6 stars. There you have it. Second picture, please. How about in this picture? What can you say about this picture? There you go. We can say that 3 rows times 2 stars per row is equivalent to another 6 stars. Next picture. How about this one? What can you say about this picture? Very good. We can say that 2 rows times 3 stars per row is equivalent also into 6 stars. Very good. Next picture. This one is very easy for you, I know. Yes. So, we can say 6 rows times 1 star per row is equivalent also into 6 stars. What we can say about this presentation? This one we can say that 6 can be written as products of 2 numbers in many ways. 6 is equivalent to 1 times 6, 6 is equivalent to 2 times 3, and 6 is equivalent also or multiplied by 3 times 2, and 6 equals to 6 times 1. Very good. The 1, 2, 3, and 6 are exactly divisors of 6. Okay, so here or here, this one, we can say that the exact divisor, or you can multiply or divide them into equals, and there's no remainder at all. Did you get it? Alright. How about in this one? 28 divided by 7 is equivalent to 4. 7 divides 28 exactly and gives the quotient of 4 and remainder 0. Alright? 28 divided by 7 is equals to 4. 4 divides 28 exactly and gives the quotient of 7 and remainder 0. That is 28 divided by 4 is equals also to 7. 28 divides 28 exactly and gives the quotient of 1 and remainder 0. So we can say 28 divided by 28 is equivalent to 1. What is this all about? So 28 divided by 1 is equivalent to 28. 28 divided by 4 is equivalent to 7. 28 divided by 7 is equals to 4. And last, 28 divided by 28 is equivalent to 1 or equals to 1. Here, the 1, 4, 7, and 28 are called factors of 28. 16 divided by 1 is equivalent to 16. 16 divided by 2 is equivalent to 8. 16 divided by 4 is equals to 4. 16 divided by 8 is equals to 2. And lastly, 16 divided by 16 is equals to 1. Yes, so these are the numbers that 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16 are the factors of 16. Factor. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of the number. The factor leaves remainder 0 when it divides the number. Very good. So you're just going to have the factors, the two numbers that you have there, to divide exactly the number. Okay? So here, 4 times 5 is equivalent to 20. 4 and 5 are factors of 20. We can also say that 20 is multiple of 4 and 5. Okay? So the difference between factors and multiples, here you go. So in 2 times 12 is equivalent to 24 or equals to 24. So we can say that. So 24 is the multiple of 2 and 12. So a number is a multiple of factors. Yes. If you have here, if you're going to consider our example as 4 times 5 is equivalent to 20, the 20 there is the multiple. The 4 and 5 are the factors. 2 times 12 is equivalent to 24 or equals to 24. The 24 there is the multiple, and 2 and 12 are the factors. Alright. Let's have this one. The given number, the numbers of multiples, a given number is infinite. What do we mean by infinite? We can continuous that one. Just like our example, multiples of 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. The 3 dots there is what you call ellipses. It means you can continue into multiples or doing the multiples as long as you have your multiple numbers. Did you get it? Yes. So how about in 3? We have here 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, and 36. Another ellipsis there, so you can continue that doing a multiple numbers. Okay? So next one, the multiples of 15. So we can say that 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, and 135. There you go. How about this one? 4 times 5 is equivalent to 20 or equals to 20. The 4 and the 5 are called? Very good. We can call this as factors. Alright? The 20 is? Very good also. So you can say that this one is your multiple. Okay. So, the points to remember. What are the points to remember in doing this? 1 is a factor of every number. Correct. Yes, 1 is every factor of every number, because if you're going to multiply by a number into a number, the number itself, it is the number. Okay? Or we can simplify that multiples of 1 is always a number. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Any number that you multiply by 1, the answer is the number. Second, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Very good. Lastly, every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Just like what I said, there is no remainder at all. Lastly, numbers of a factor of a given number are finite. Next, every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. Next, the number of multiples of a given number is infinite. Lastly, every number is a multiple of itself. Alright, so let's have an activity. Are you ready? Let's do this one. So you're just going to state whether the following statements are true or false. I am just going to read it. I want you to get a paper and pencils for you to identify these things. Ready? Okay, let's have number 1. 1 is the factors of every number. Is that true or false? Second, the largest factor of any number is the number itself. True or false? Next, the number of factors given of a given number is infinite. True or false? Fourth, the number of multiples of 5 is 10. The factors of 65 are 1, 5, and 13. Alright. I have you 5 minutes to answer this one. Alright, there you go. Let's have a second activity. Alright. You're just going to do factors or multiple. You're just going to do factors first of a given number, and then you are going to do also the second one, a multiple numbers. How are you going to have a multiple numbers of a given number? Are you ready? All right. I have here the set of numbers. We have here 170, 100, 900, 270, and 210. Alright? I'm going to give you also 5 minutes to do that. So guys, I'm going to give you the final answer or the answers when you go back to school. I am going to explain it further for more information about our topic for today. So this video, bye-bye. Thanks for joining my class today. Make sure you do your homework and worksheets. And I'll let you know how much you've learned today. See you soon. Bye-bye.